Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is YouTuber, also known as Mihlali_C. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate your support. In today's video, I'll be taking you guys along with me. I'm going to my friend's 21st birthday. Yay, my first vlog ever. I don't know if we're gonna come back tonight or tomorrow, but you guys will know. And excuse the noise because I live in Women Road and e-taxi. So I'm gonna go back to sleep, and then after, when I wash my weave, I'm gonna show you guys when I wash my weave. I forgot to film the part where I dyed it, but I didn't do anything drastic. I just dyed it black because I just wanted to darken it a bit because so yeah, let me not bore you guys. I'll see you later. Oh well, I just remembered that. But I couldn't like it because I couldn't manage it, and my mom only gave me 5 liters, which was impossible to wash. It died off my wig, but that's not a train smash. I washed it, hopefully. And I wanna show you some things. I don't want to call it unboxing because my mom already unboxed them on my behalf because she couldn't wait to see my stuff. So I'm gonna quickly show you guys. Well, I got this at AliExpress. This was at 300. It took 4 months to get here, so lockdown sana go straight. And then I got these at AliExpress too. They also took 4 months to get here because lockdown as it happened, and they were 28 rand or 40 something each. Was money too good. Hey guys, I forgot to show you guys where I got ready, but I am ready and then we here, but my phone is about to die, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna record the whole thing, but yeah. Let's go get the cocktail and get this party started.
Yo.
Hindi, ito. Yamas. Tulog ka.
Program director wethu Mr. Joka
special for you. And the wishes that come when your birthday is here all keep coming true every day of the year.
Okay, listen to me. We will be taking instructions from Uzim. Whatever Zim is telling us to do, that's what exactly we are going to do. And everybody has got a slim class, eh?
Yes.
Except for the masters of ceremonies.
Shoulder to cry on. Thank you for always being there for me, for picking me up when I fall. Thank you for giving me the most wonderful.
Let's go!
Guys, I'm literally exhausted.
Yeah.
I'm exhausted. Anyway, I want to sleep, and I'm hungry. So, Abosha says we're gonna grab something to eat. And I don't want to be sued for copyright music, but yeah, so yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I'm so exhausted. In the makeup, I cooperate in the about because yeah, you can't. I was say hi. Say hi. Ciao. To leave ASAP because Ziyakowa girls and you know say Alvan. Sizakhamba sibathatha iwine yethu. Wemnasi. Kasasibase uyaqoka khasos. We're on our way home. Abashaka from CKC. Pies and then Susie cake Melinto. Don't touch the pepper steak and dust.
Is it even pies there?
And
That's fucking dry. Doesn't have a mask. You have a mask.
I like Abush because I do not have one. So we're going home and so we can eat pies and then Sikodik. I did not take much in the video because well I kept forgetting baby girl you are vlogging, but hopefully you guys enjoyed the video and yes I did it guys, I did it. I had an amazing weekend, like I had an amazing weekend and don't mind my nails because there's bite and yeah, special thanks to Sissy, to her family and friends. It was so nice, like everyone there was just exceptional. Okay, we love Kulantu and thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video.
Bye, loves.